Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Bright account. Verifying your Bright account not only unlocks all features, but also keeps your financial activities secure and compliant. Start by opening the Bright app and logging in with your credentials. If your account isn't verified yet, you're going to see a notification prompt or a banner on your dashboard asking you to verify your account, so just tap on that. You're going to be asked to provide some personal information such as your full name, date of birth, residential address, and sometimes your national identification number. Next, upload a valid government issued identification card. This could be your passport, it could be driver's license, or just a national ID card. Make sure that the photo is clear and that all texts are readable. For additional security, Bright may ask for a selfie to match with your identification. Follow the on-screen instruction to take the photo using your phone's camera. Once submitted, your documents will be reviewed, usually within a few minutes to a few hours. You're going to get a confirmation message once your account is successfully verified. And that's it. You now have full access to all of Bright's features with added security. If this was helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright walkthroughs and account tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.